from EDCL. I'm a design engineer in generation transmission. I've added on something with my knowledge.
I'm a quality assurance engineer in Energy Utility Corporation Limited. We don't normally use this software because we don't have the knowledge. But as we are now getting the knowledge, we are going to use the knowledge we gained here in our daily activity to implement different projects we are having in our company.
There's a lot of knowledge that I've gained here after this training.
Especially for me with my job position, I work in substations a lot. I intend to continue to learn more, and I recommend anyone else who is interested in AutoCAD electrical to join in this training.
I work at EDCL. I'm in the planning department. I do design work. So I've just completed a training here for AutoCAD, electrical, for control systems, and it was very informative. Considering the way I came in, there's a lot of groundwork that I usually didn't cover in my work before, but now after this training, I think I'm more conversant about the layouts. Let's say, for example, there's a lot of knowledge that I've gained here in the 5 days. I think I've really benefited from this training.
It is very helpful to us because we submitted the drawings to review. It seems impossible for us to review that because the knowledge we have before was not enough to review drawings correctly. So we gained the knowledge so that we will go back to use them in partnership with Nziza. I know that maybe we will come up with a very important outcome for the training we gained here. The instructors are good. Everybody was helpful. They got us through the program, and they have the facilities here. The environment was conducive. I think everything here was perfection. Albeit it was a bit short. Our company could at least give us 30 days, but the knowledge is here. The knowledge is plentiful. 5 days is not enough for someone to know all the knowledge of the software. If the training is given more days, there is a bigger outcome to the trainees compared to short time like 5 days.
To my employers, I think there's a lot of information to cover, a lot of ground to cover, so more days could have been well, but we were grateful for the 5 days too, and we've gotten a lot out of this training.
My recommendation to the company is to provide at least 10 licenses to the employees so that after the training, we normally use the software in our daily activity. The knowledge we gain here will not be lost when we are having the license for at least 10 people.
Any recommendation for EDCL is just continue helping the employees to get more knowledge and more trainings about the softwares that we use in our daily basis.